In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from your Google business profile. If you've got outdated images, duplicate shots, or anything that no longer represents your brand, cleaning up your profile can make a real difference in how customers perceive your business. First, open your web browser and go to business.google.com. Sign in with the Google account that manages your business profile. If you handle more than one location, make sure you're viewing the correct business before you continue. A quick way to confirm is to check the business name and address at the top of the dashboard so you don't remove photos from the wrong place. Once you're in the right dashboard, click on Photos. Depending on your layout, this may appear in the left side menu or across the top of the page. Inside the Photos area, you'll typically see sections like Overview, By Owner, By Customers, Cover, and Logo. That helps you confirm which images you directly control. Owner photos are the ones you uploaded, while customer photos come from visitors. You can browse these sections to find exactly what you want to remove. Next, select the photo you want to delete and click the delete icon. Often the delete icon looks like a small trash can. You might see it when you hover over the image, or you can click the photo to open it and find the delete option there. Take a moment to verify that you've chosen the correct image, especially if you have similar shots, because once a photo is removed, it won't appear on your profile anymore. If you're unsure, consider downloading a backup to your computer before proceeding so you can re-upload later if needed. When you're ready, click Delete to confirm. This final confirmation helps prevent accidental removals. Keep in mind, deleting a photo from your business profile only affects what appears publicly. It doesn't delete the original file from your device or any storage you use to upload it. Also, if you don't see a delete option on a particular image, that usually means it was uploaded by a customer or automatically added by Google, and it can't be removed using this method. After you confirm, give it some time. Changes can take a few minutes, and in some cases longer, to reflect across Google Search and Maps. That's all there is to it. Go to business.google.com, click Photos, select the image and the delete icon, and confirm Delete. Keep your profile current, professional, and aligned with your brand, and you'll make a stronger first impression every time someone finds you online.